हेलो एवरीबॉडी। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं सी यू ई टी पी जी फार्मेसी एस सी क्यू पी कोड 23 का एक मॉडल पेपर। जी हाँ, ये पेपर मैंने 2023, 2024, 2025 तीनों साल के जो फार्मेसी के पेपर हुए थे उन सभी को मिलाकर बनाया है। उन सभी के कॉन्सेप्ट्स, टॉपिक्स, हाई वेटेज क्वेश्चंस लेकर बनाया है। इस वीडियो को ज़रूर देखिएगा। In the beginning, when you hear about the pharmaceutics part, so in the pharmaceutics most of the things which is covered is on the first part is angle of repose, कि भैया एंगल ऑफ रिपोज क्या है और कितना होता है। जैसे एंगल ऑफ रिपोज इज बेसिकली tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू h अपॉन r, that is the angle of repose, right? It is a flow property. Porosity is reciprocal of bulk density is reciprocal of bulkiness, right? पोरोसिटी एप्सिलॉन से मेजर करते हैं। तो हर एक चीज आपको कार्स इंडेक्स, कंप्रेसिबिलिटी इंडेक्स होता है। विच पॉलीमर इज यूज फॉर सस्टेन रिलीज टैबलेट्स। तो जब भी मैं बात करता हूँ सस्टेन रिलीज टैबलेट्स की, तो मोस्टली HPMC। लैक्टोज शोज मेलार रिएक्शन एक्सेप्ट एनहाइड्रस लैक्टोज। स्टार्च कैन एक्ट एज अ बाइंडर एज वेल एज डिसइंटीग्रेंट। टाल्क इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंटी एडियरेंट। क्रिटिकल रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी, अब मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपको सॉल्व कराऊंगा, कुछ आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में रिप्लाई खुद करने होंगे। रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी इज इंपॉर्टेंट इन स्टेरिलिटी, hygroscopic drugs, bioavailability. Bioavailability is a rate and extent at which fraction of drug gets absorbed in systemic circulation. जब oral और intravenous दो अलग अलग रूट को कंपेयर करते हो तो वो होती है absolute bioavailability, और जब आप टेस्ट और रेफरेंस ड्रग को कंपेयर करते हो वो होती है relative bioavailability. Dissolution testing, where you have the dissolution data profile with you. And hygroscopic drugs are mostly, those drugs which are prone to absorb moisture, right? Efflorescent होता है जो water of crystallization करते हैं, deliquescent that release water, microencapsulation, and then होता है eutectic that liquefy because of low melting point. So microencapsulation is by coacervation phase separation, in which there is deposition, rigidization, film forming, right? Microencapsules. You also have other process like air suspension, booster coater, spray drying, spray congealing. Which test evaluates the mechanical strength of a tablet? So the mechanical strength of a tablet is determined by the friability. 25 rpm for 4 minutes, 100 rpm, that is the total of the very important Roche friability. Dissolution में IP के according there are two. Yes, what are the two? Indian Pharmacopoeia according paddle and basket, and USP में basket, paddle, flow through cell, paddle over disc, reciprocating cylinder, rotating cylinder. It is occurring at 37 degree plus or minus 0.5. Disintegration 37 degree plus or minus 2. Disintegration में the mesh size is 10, dissolution में the mesh size is 40. Bioavailability is measured by, अब ये मुझे बताना कि rate और extent, ठीक है, इसमें आंसर इज बिटवीन द टी मैक्स एंड द AUC, ये भी मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ। जीटा पोटेंशियल इज रिलेटेड टू द जीटा पोटेंशियल यूजुअली आपकी स्टेबिलिटी बताता है इन द इलेक्ट्रोन्यूट्रल रीजन अंदर टाइटली बाउंड लेयर के बीच का ये पोटेंशियल होता है, जो -30 टू +30 मिलीवोल्ट के बीच होना चाहिए। सो इट यूजुअली हेल्प्स इन द स्टेबिलिटी। फर्स्ट पास मेटाबॉलिज्म, प्री सिस्टमिक मेटाबॉलिज्म लीवर में होता है साइटोक्रोम एंजाइम, जहाँ पे एंजाइम इंड्यूसर कुछ ड्रग्स है, फेनिटोइन, फिनोबार्बिटन, कार्बामेज़ेपिन, कुछ enzyme inhibitor like isoniazid, antibiotics that inhibits the enzyme, right? So you always have two categories of drugs. Which method of sterilization is for heat labile drugs? So dry heat में आपके पास होता है oxidation method, Bacillus subtilis varnicar as a biological indicator. You use hot air oven at 150 degree for 150 minutes, autoclave 121 minutes for 15 minutes for 15 psi. But ये सारे के सारे heat stable के लिए है, because 120 you have heat. Filtration is a method in which you can without for the heat labile substances as well. HLB, hydrophilic lipophilic balance by the Griffin's HLB scale, आपका 1 to 3 होता है एंटी फोमिंग, 3 to 8 होता है W/O, 8 to 16 होता है O/W, 7 to 9 होता है आपके वेटिंग एजेंट्स, 13 to 16 होता है डिटर्जेंट, 16 to 20 सॉल्युबलाइजर्स। इनवर्स एगोनिस्ट वो होता है जिसमें अफिनिटी तो है, इंट्रिंसिक एक्टिविटी एफिकेसी 0 to -1 है, पार्शियल एगोनिस्ट में 0 to 1 है, फुल एगोनिस्ट में 1 है, और एंटागोनिस्ट में है ही नहीं एफिकेसी, इट ओनली हैज अफिनिटी। सो इट इज हैविंग द ऑपोजिट फार्माकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट। LD50 upon ED50, any lethal dose to the effective dose is the therapeutic index measurement, and it is a margin of safety. Higher the TI, higher is the safety. इस तरीके की easy questions one liner भी आपको पूछे जाते हैं, so you can imagine how easy the things can be for you. Competitive antagonist usually shifts the curve towards the right side. Yes, towards the right side. Beta blockers are mainly used in सो बीटा वन ब्लॉकर आपके मेनली हाइपरटेंशन में यूज होता है. इफ इट इज अ नॉन सेलेक्टिव बीटा ब्लॉकर लाइक प्रोप्रानोलॉल, so it is contraindicated in asthma because it can cause bronchoconstriction as well. Which neurotransmitter is inhibitory in nature? Dopamine is inhibitory as well as excitatory both. GABA is only inhibitory. Acetylcholine again inhibitory, excitatory both, and glutamate is a excitatory. So you have glutamate antagonist, MNT. You have a lot of glutamate antagonists like MNTD, dextromethorphan, topiramate at kinase receptor, GABA agonists like benzodiazepines, barbiturates, dopaminergic partial agonist, bromocriptine. You have a lot of agents that act on dopamine, like pergolide, carbergoline. Then zero order kinetics means the constant rate of elimination. First order में there is exponential or logarithmic. Drug tolerance develops because of the sensitivity. No, obviously increase resistance, decrease sensitivity. Drug tolerance because of receptor upregulation, enzyme induction और enzyme inhibition. इसका आंसर आप मुझे देंगे. Warfarin acts by inhibiting vitamin K epoxide reductase. It is a coumarin agent which is formed by Pecman's condensation, and it is an in vivo acting drug, right? And contraindicated in pregnancy. Drug causing ototoxicity. So gentamicin is an aminoglycoside which is an ototoxic drug. Aspirin causes Reis syndrome, irreversible COX inhibitor, thromboxane inhibitor, antiplatelet activity. Metformin आपका AMP के activator है. Drug safety during pregnancy is studied under the teratology. Teratogenicity जैसे spina bifida, neural tube defect, fetal Hayden-Twin syndrome caused by phenytoin, carbamazepine, valproic acid, vaginal carcinoma caused by diethylstilbestrol, fucomelia caused by the thalidomide, lot of teratogenic defects, gingival hyperplasia, gum hypertrophy, cleft palate caused by phenytoin again. Lot of teratologic drugs. Warfarin itself is a teratogenic drug, right? You have methylcarbimazole as a teratogenic drug. Bioisosteres improves the pharmacological activity. Bioisosteres in which you change like oxygen को nitrogen में बदल दिया. Bioisosteres. Prodrug का main concept is to also have a good stability like ester from prevented from ester because esterases amidases काफी होते तो you add an ester group जिससे वो drug stable हो जाएगा. To mask the taste, improve the solubility like chloramphenicol palmitate to improve the taste, succinate salt to improve the solubility. You have diclofenac sodium, diclofenac potassium, different salt forms as well to enhance the solubility and like for acute and chronic pain. Optical isomerism affects. So optical isomerism is said to be affecting a lot of different activities. Like the pharmacological activity, of course, is being highly affected. Alkaloids आपके true, pseudo, proto बहुत तरीके के होते हैं. You have quinoline, isoquinoline, quinazoline, imidazole, indole, tropane, purine. A lot of type of alkaloids, they contain nitrogen. Penicillin has a beta-lactam ring. Okay, do not forget this. Penicillin has a beta-lactam ring. Log P is a measure of lipophilicity. Octanol water. Nasets कौन सा है इसमें से? Omeprazole, proton pump inhibitor, hydrogen potassium ATPase pump, 30 minutes before sulfenamide metabolite. Propranolol is a non-selective beta blocker. Ibuprofen propionic acid derivative. NSAID. Diazepam is a GABA agonist given in anxiety and all conditions as well. Phase 1 metabolism involves oxidation reduction, hydrolysis, and phase 2 involves conjugation reactions, acetylation, methylation, glucuronidation, sulfation. Right? It is a non-functionalization phase, while phase 1 is a functionalization phase. SAR studies is a chemical structure against the biological activity like electron donating group, electron withdrawing group, substitution of which group can promote the activity or retard the activity. Which functional group increases water solubility? Again, you will tell me the answer of this. Sennacides, Senna cassiangustifolia is a cardiac glycoside, one of the anthraquinone glycoside. Bond-Taggart test is used for its identification. So Senna contains the glycosides. Adulteration detection uses the microscopic methods whereby stomata, trichome, starch grains, vein islet number, stomatal index, vein termination number, these help you to identify. Digitalis is used in heart failure. Plant tissue culture produces. So plant tissue culture is said to produce the metabolites. Plant tissue culture is said to produce the metabolites. Tropophase, primary metabolites. Idiophase, secondary metabolites. Chemotaxonomy's classification is based on the Chemical constituent. Chemotaxonomy is based on the chemical constituents. DNA replication occurs in the S phase. See, competitive में Km increases, Vmax remains the same. Non-competitive में Km remains the same, Vmax decreases. Gram positive staining, they appear purple or violet because they do not take up secondary stain, which is safranine, and do not become red. They do not get decolorized by the ethanol. Okay. While you gram negative like Vibrio cholerae, Escherichia coli, Neisseria gonorrhea, Haemophilus influenza, Klebsiella, they take up secondary stain after decolorization. ATP production, mostly mitochondria is involved in the ATP production, right? Powerhouse of the cell. Ribosome, RER for the ribosome protein synthesis. For the lipid synthesis, you have SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. ELISA helps you. ELISA, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay, helps in antigen antibody interaction. You have direct ELISA, in which there is a direct attachment of the antibody to the antigen. Sandwich ELISA, in which an antigen is between two antibodies. And indirect, in which primary antibody, but there's a secondary antibody which is attached, which is labeled, which HRP substrate. Right? Beer-Lambert's law is in the chromatography. A is equal to ABC. Path length and concentration is proportional to the absorbance. HPLC uses, so HPLC, high performance liquid, uses the liquid mobile phase. Limit test helps you to detect the quantitative or semi-quantitative test is designed to detect and control small amount of impurities and percent purity. So limit tests are usually chloride, sulfate, arsenic, heavy metals. You know these agents. Ka you do the all of these testing procedures. All right. Next up, you have IR spectroscopy, which identifies the molecular weight. No, सर वो तो मास स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी का काम है. फंक्शनल ग्रुप हुक्स लॉ पे बेस्ड होता है. बेंडिंग, स्ट्रेचिंग, वाइब्रेशन, सिजरिंग, रॉकिंग, वैगिंग, ट्विस्टिंग. राइट, चेंज इन द डाइपोल मोमेंट लीड्स टू द readings. pKa, ionization constant, very easy. Pharmacovigilance helps in monitoring the. So pharmacovigilance is a very important agent which helps in monitoring the ADR up in the post-marketing surveillance phase, during pre-marketing as well as during the post-marketing. Essential drug list (EDL) is prepared by the. This you should tell me, is it WHO or is it CDSCO? Okay. WHO prepares the EDL, Essential Consumable List, and Essential Drugs List. Medication error occurs in the. So medication error can occur in the prescription, occurs during the dispensing, occur during the administration, all the three phases. Half-life determines the dosing interval. Half-life. It takes how many half-life for a drug to be absorbed? 99%. Can you tell me in the comment box? Therapeutic drug monitoring is having for the narrow therapeutic index drugs like digoxin, phenytoin, जिनका भी warfarin narrow therapeutic index है उनको TDM लगता है. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation are useful in the buffer pH. pH is equal to pK plus log of salt upon acid. Partition coefficient can affect the log P solubility and dissolution. But lipophilicity affects the permeability. Higher the lipophilic, better is the permeability. Bioequivalence studies helps you to compare the dissolution data, which is the pK parameters. Sublingual bypasses the first pass effect. That is why we give nitroprusside isosorbide dinitrate in angina pectoris because of high vascularity through the sublingual route. Enteric coating dissolves in the intestine and releases the drug in the intestine. Which receptor is GPCR? So nicotinic is a ligand gated, insulin is a RTK, steroid is a nuclear receptor, beta adrenergic is a GPCR. Pharmacokinetics involves ADME, absorption, distribution, in which modes of absorption you must read: active, passive, facilitated, ion pair. Distribution में volume of distribution and protein binding. Metabolism में phase 1 and phase 2. Mutagenicity occurs is done by, so mutagenicity test is done usually by the Ames test. Ames test for carcinogenicity and mutagenicity. Okay. Which microorganism is used in Ames test? Is it Salmonella typhimurium? Comment in the box. ACE inhibitors causes hyperkalemia, dry cough, angioedema, and enalapril gets converted to enalaprilat. Atenolol is a beta blocker. Nifedipine is a calcium channel L-type calcium channel blocker. Digoxin is a sodium potassium EDPS pump, positive ionotropic agent. 40 hours to 7 days of half-life of digoxin and digitoxin. It's a cardiac glycoside obtained from digitalis lanata and purpurea. Keller-Kiliani is the test for digitoxose sugar. Lyophilization helps to remove the moisture content, freeze drying, right? Suspension requires a flocculating agents. Phase separation is called as So creaming is a separation in which upward creaming, downward creaming depend upon O by W and W by O. Cracking is irreversible. Once a emulsion is cracked, you cannot reverse it. Sediment, right? It is a coalescence. Large globules getting formed is coalescence. Antioxidant examples, so mostly BHT, BHA, butylyl hydroxytoluene, anisole, ascorbic acid esters, vitamin E. They are all gallic acid. They are all antioxidants. Some acts by blocking, some acts by reducing. Drug distribution depends on the lipophilicity, blood flow, as well as protein binding. You have albumin, globulin, acid glycoprotein, lipoprotein, a lot of different proteins. Pharmacodynamics is what the drug does to the body. Kinetics is what the body does to the drug. QT prolongation drugs are cisapride, estimazole, right? Lot of QT prolongation drugs. Comment in the box the terfenadine, other two QT prolongation drugs. All right. Macrolides. Erythromycin is a QT prolongation. It is enteric coding ester form like esolid. Vaccine produces which kind of immunity? Active or passive? They produces which kind of immunity? Active immunity. Artificial active. Bioassay measures the potency. Assay, percent concentration, right? Arrhenius is for stability kinetics. Out of this, furosemide acting on the Henle's loop, sodium potassium 2-chlorine cotransporter is a diuretic. Losartan is an angiotensin receptor blocker. Atropine causes dry cough, bradycardia, blurred vision, and all the constipative, all the anticholinergic effects. Atropa belladonna it is obtained. Solanaceae family. Apocynaceae family. Right? Capsule shell is made up of gelatin, hard gelatin, soft gelatin, type A gelatin, type B gelatin. A is acid hydrolyzed cationic, B is base hydrolyzed anionic. Okay. Pharmacoeconomics evolves the cost effectiveness, cost utility, cost benefit, cost effective, cost minimization, cost of illness, lot of different processes. So you have Van Deemter's equation in the chromatographic resolution. Resolution depends upon the edge length of the column, number of plates, the width, lot of different factors. So this was the model paper in the आज की रात की क्लास में today night we will be having a class और evening maybe 5:10 को आज एक क्लास होगी 5:15 से 6:15 तक जहाँ पे मैं आपको PYQs बताऊंगा ऑफ CUET PG. This was a model paper. If you have understood and got to learn a lot, please do like, share, subscribe my channel for more such upcoming videos. Thank you so much, everyone.